Hooray! It's another class project! Said no one. They're good. I hope so anyway. In this case, I've got a bit of sound I need you to fix. Okay, it's in the exercise files under, it's called Rain. The thing with this though is you'd be like opening up Premiere Pro, getting Essential Sound, you're like, where's the rain dragger? There's no rain slider. Okay, so I guess that's on purpose. I could give you one where you could drag a slider and it would be easy. This one here is a bit of a curveball. So this particular rain, let's have a little listen. All right, hands up. You'll have to listen to it in your exercise files. I left a chunk at the beginning there. You could hear the rain, like it was just a really rainy day, and you can see the shape of my office. Basically, all right, there's a slope on this other side with a bunch of windows, so the rain just pelts against it. So when I'm recording, it's a pain in the bum. So I want you to work through Essential Sounds, what you've learned so far, play with them, test them, and try and get rid of that rain noise, okay? And you can use the ones that we've done in this course, or if you want to use other audio effects, you can do some research online to see how to get rid of, rain in Premiere Pro. This is up to you, how you actually do it. I don't mind which way you do it. You can do it with the Essential Sounds panel. I've done it before. The one thing to do though is have two versions on your sequence. This is what I mean. So have a version that hasn't been touched, an original, and this one here that you'll work on to be fixed. Because when you export them out and submit them, it'd be great to hear the before and after. Okay, so one that's fixed, one that's not. Also add text so that when other people are looking at it, and if you share it, you've got kind of one that indicates that it's original, and the other one that shows if it's fixed. And also what you might do is, I've given you a bit more extra dialogue so that you can work with it, but you might actually trim it up to be just like about there-ish. Remember the W key? Okay, just so that it's not, people aren't spending ages listening. All right, hands up. Okay, so good luck, submit it. Anything else, actually? You can use your own file. Okay, I've given you rain because it's hard to find. Wow, you might not have bad audio, but if you've got bad audio, I'd rather you use that. It doesn't have to be the rain. Practice with the rain, definitely. But definitely, if you've got your own stuff, we'd love to see it. Practice with it. And the other last thing is let us know in the comments which techniques you found the most useful. This is going to be really useful for everybody. So if you are submitting this, check to see what other people have done. Check out if there's any comments, see what other people have done, what worked for them. You might do it for yourself first and then go and check the comments, what other people have done. You'll be like, oh, wow, I didn't realize that, and go and try it and discover new things, especially if you've used something out of the scope of this course. All right, same thing, render it, upload it, share it on social media as well. Be great to see how good or goodish you get it. All right, go forth, remove the rain.